To Clarendon now, taxi operators and other motorists are growing restive over the poor state of some of the roads. The head of one taxi group in Clarendon says only strong leadership has prevented a shutdown of the transport sector in the parish over the situation. Dwayne Anderson reports.
Motorists in Clarendon are seemingly taking turns to publicly complain about the poor state of roads in the parish. Days ago, the complaints came from frustrated road users in the south. Today, those in the central part of the parish made their views known about the potholes they have to skillfully navigate each day.
This is the main road to go in town. I'm here, and look on the condition of it. This not right. This is a town centre, this now. I imagine if you go in a town centre road stay so, work agency is right there. National work agency is right, and if you see in front of the work agency, it's a disgrace.
I am inviting persons from the NWA, though the ministry is a overarching body, but we need somebody from the NWA local, should I say, at the parish level, to do a tour with the associations and see what we need to do, because there are some areas that we can survive, but some areas it is like treading to the rock of Gibraltar, so to speak. You know, it's rugged, it's hard. It's hard. And my members have been clamoring to stop operating and to protest, but I told them I want to speak to the NWA first.
Traffic congestion is also increasing as some areas are oftentimes reduced to single-lane traffic, especially when larger units such as JUTC buses or the rural school buses attempt to navigate the bad roads.
Before introducing the buses, they should have done a good rehabilitation of the road surfaces that the buses and other vehicles, you know, have to traverse. It is sad. It is sad that like there wasn't enough care or due diligence done as it relates to how we have to move, or we have to travel, or we have to negotiate some of these rugged terrains that we face daily, minutely.
The National Works Agency, NAA, says a $1.6 billion patching program is set to start in the country in the next few weeks, and roads in Clarendon will benefit. The agency says a total of $192 million of the sum is allocated to Clarendon under the program. Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.
Coming up later in this newscast, U.S. President Donald Trump says he won't impose tariffs on European countries opposed to his Greenland takeover plan. We'll be right back.